Have you ever pulled your trailer out in the spring and found that your tires have flat spots, your bolts are rusted, and the lights don't work anymore? That's a $1,500 repair bill that you could have avoided. In this video, we're breaking down exactly how to winterize your trailer, whether you're pulling it all winter or parking it till spring. Also, stick around for the bonus tip. It actually could save you from losing your trailer completely. Now let's dive in. Tip number one, protect your tires. Here's what winter does to your tires. Temperature swings make them expand and contract. Cold makes the rubber stiff and brittle. Freezing water cracks the sidewalls. And flat spots, they can be a tire death sentence if you're not careful. So here's what you do. Step one, inflate to max pressure. Check your tire sidewall for the max PSI and pump them up. This prevents flat spots from forming while they're sitting there. Step two, minimize ground contact. For parkers, put that trailer up on jack stands if possible. Why? Because even at max pressure, tires lose air over time. 3 months on the ground can easily equal new tires in the spring. For pullers, park on plywood sheets instead of directly on the ground or concrete. This protects your tires from ground moisture, which is super important for prolonging the life of your tires during the winter. Step three, cover them up. UV rays destroy rubber even in winter, and water freezing and thawing on your tires accelerates dry rot. For parkers, get tire covers or tarp the whole trailer. We'll talk more about that in tip 5. For pullers, at minimum, park in the shade when you can. The best part, these 3 steps can literally add years to your tire's life. By the way, in the description, I've got affiliate links for jack stands, covers, and everything else you might need to do any of the steps in this video. If you use them, it helps the channel out, and I seriously appreciate it. Tip number 2, wash your trailer. I know what you're thinking, Bryson, I'm just gonna get it dirty again. Here's why you need to change your thinking on that though. Dirt, mud, and road grime aren't just ugly. They trap moisture against the metal, and moisture plus metal equals rust. For parkers, this is easy. Wash it thoroughly before you park it. Pay special attention to the underside. I know it's a pain, but the underside is where the rust starts. Get under there with a pressure washer and blast everything off if possible. For pullers, be realistic. Are you going to go out there and wash your trailer in 15-degree weather whenever your water spigot's frozen? Yeah, me neither. So do this now while it's still warm enough. One good deep clean before winter hits. Focus on that underside. Get all the mud, salt residue from last winter, which I really hope you don't have because that means you didn't wash your trailer in the spring, but I'm also a realist and I know that stuff happens, and sometimes washing your trailer gets forgotten. And grime off. The truth is, one thorough cleaning now beats 6 half-hearted attempts in January. Once it's clean, immediately move on to tip 3, which is use a rust inhibitor spray. This is your secret weapon against winter rust, and most people have never even heard of it. Here's what makes rust inhibitor spray better than regular spray paint. It's clear, so it works on any color of trailer. It works on aluminum. Yes, aluminum trailers need all 5 of these steps too. And it's specifically designed to prevent rust formation. So how do you apply it? It's just like spray paint, and you hit the frame rails, spray the underside, cover any bare metal spots, get the welds and joints. But what if you don't have any rust inhibitor spray? WD-40 works in a pinch. It's not ideal, but it's better than nothing. For parkers and pullers, this tip is the same for both. Just do it. One can costs $12. Rust repair costs as much as a new trailer. Do the math. Winter weather makes everything seize up. Hinges get stuck, bolts rust together, springs freeze, and come spring, nothing moves. Here's what you need: WD-40 or PB Blaster. PV Blaster is better. Now, take it and hit these spots. All hinge points on your gate, ramps, or anything else. All of your axle components, your springs, your shackles, every nut and bolt you can see, all of your jack stand mechanisms, your coupler and latch, any bare metal surfaces at all. Don't forget to hit your grease zerks too. If your trailer has grease fittings, now's the time to hit them. For parkers, one good application should last you the winter. For pullers, do this monthly if you can. Road salt is brutal on metal, and you need to stay ahead of it. The best part about this tip, it takes 15 minutes and prevents hours of wrestling with stuck parts. Your spring self will thank your winter self later. Before I get to tip number 5, quick reminder. My goal is to help people make the smartest trailer decisions possible. So if you want more tips like this, hit that subscribe button. I cover everything from buying to maintaining to upgrading. And don't forget, there's a bonus tip at the end that can literally save your trailer. Number 5, cover that trailer. If you do nothing else from this video, do this. Covering your trailer is the single most important winterization tip. Here's what a cover protects against: snow and ice buildup, freezing rain, UV damage, yes, even in the winter, moisture that seeps into lights and wiring, and just general weathering. Best case scenario, park it in your garage. Second best, park it under an awning. Most people can't do either of those though. So most realistic, throw a heavy duty tarp over it. For parkers, this is non-negotiable. 3 months under a cover versus 3 months exposed, that's the difference between spring ready and spring repairs. For pullers, I know it's a pain to cover and uncover your trailer every time. So here's my compromise. Cover it whenever you know bad weather is coming. Snow, sleet, freezing rain, cover it. Regular, just cold days, you're probably fine. And here's why this matters for the lights. Winter moisture gets into light fixtures. It fogs them up, corrodes the connection, and kills the bulbs. A cover prevents this. The truth is, replacing trailer lights doesn't seem that expensive since they're usually around $10 each. But if you have to replace all the lights and the wiring, you can be looking at hundreds of dollars. A good tarp costs 40 bucks and lasts for years. Again, you can do the math. Before I get to the bonus tip, comment below and let me know which of these winterization tips you'll be doing this weekend. Bonus points if you have one that I didn't add on the list. Also, share this with someone who needs to winterize their trailer because the best defense against winter damage is preparation. Bonus tip, protect against theft. Okay, this bonus deserves its very own video, but I'm going to give it to you right now because it's crucial. Winter is prime theft season for trailers. Why? Because your trailer is just sitting there unused in your driveway. It's an easy target. Here are 5 things you can do right now. 1, park it behind a fence if possible. Out of sight, out of mind. If thieves can't see it from the street, they're less likely to target it. Pull it into your backyard and lock the gate if you can. 2, remove the coupler. If your coupler is removable, take it off. No coupler equals no way to hook up. Simple but effective. 3, use a high quality lock. Listen carefully. Your $15 hardware store lock is garbage. One hammer swing and it's shattered to pieces. Proven Industries makes the best trailer locks on the planet. This isn't sponsored by them, although I have seen the difference firsthand because we sell them where I work. And I want to give you guys the best advice possible. These locks are nearly impossible to break. If you want to get one, you can shoot me a picture of your coupler and your zip code to the number in my pinned comment. Whenever I get that, I'll get you a price, and we sell them for the same price that's on Proven's website, but buying through me helps the channel. 4, take the wheels off. Extreme? Yes. Effective? Absolutely. If you're parking on jack stands anyway, why not? It's hard to steal a trailer with no wheels. And then number 5, throw an AirTag on it. Hide an AirTag in your toolbox or somewhere sneaky. Is it the best GPS tracker? No, but it's a cheap option and it gives you a fighting chance of recovery. I'm still looking for a GPS system I truly trust, but until then, AirTag is your best bet. The truth is, trailer theft is a huge problem, and winter makes it worse. Don't let your trailer become a statistic. Thanks for watching.